Tornado outbreaks are among nature's most extraordinary displays of power, capable of producing dozens or even hundreds of tornadoes within just a few days. Today, we're counting down the 10 largest officially recognized tornado outbreaks ever recorded, ranked solely by the number of confirmed tornadoes. Hurricane-related outbreaks and outbreak sequences have been excluded to keep the rankings consistent. Let's begin. Number 10. 2008. Super Tuesday Tornado Outbreak. Small towns and busy cities across the southern United States carried on beneath quiet winter skies. On February 5, 2008, students filled classrooms, businesses opened their doors, and families expected another ordinary Tuesday. As the afternoon wore on, warm Gulf moisture collided with a powerful storm system, causing severe thunderstorms to rapidly intensify. What began as scattered storms soon evolved into rotating supercells capable of producing destructive tornadoes. Large funnels tore through neighborhoods, businesses, schools, and public infrastructure before the outbreak finally weakened the following day. By the end of the two-day event, survey teams had documented 87 tornadoes. It remains one of the most significant February tornado outbreaks in U.S. history. Number 9. 2024. Tornado outbreak. The final days of the holiday season brought heavy travel across the South as families prepared to welcome the new year. On December 28, 2024, many people were shopping, visiting relatives, or returning home after Christmas celebrations. Meanwhile, unusually warm, humid air surged northward ahead of a powerful storm system, creating ideal conditions for severe weather. As thunderstorms strengthened, rotating supercells produced tornado after tornado, damaging homes, businesses, and critical infrastructure across the region. When the storms finally came to an end 2 days later, meteorologists had confirmed 108 tornadoes. It became one of the largest winter tornado outbreaks ever recorded. Number 8. 2021 Midwest derecho and tornado outbreak. Across the Midwest and Mid-South, another December evening settled in as families finished dinner and prepared for the night ahead. On December 10, 2021, few expected violent tornadoes to develop during the closing weeks of the year. As powerful thunderstorms organized, long-lived supercells began producing destructive tornadoes that swept through towns, neighborhoods, factories, and warehouses. Entire communities were left devastated, with damage exceeding $3.9 billion. By the following day, damage surveys had counted 120 tornadoes. The outbreak challenged long-standing assumptions about how dangerous late-season tornado outbreaks could become. Number 7. 1999. Tornado outbreak. A typical January day unfolded across the Southeast as schools remained in session and businesses carried on as usual. On January 21, 1999, few residents noticed the atmosphere quietly becoming more unstable. Warm, moisture-rich air pushed northward into the region, while a powerful storm system fueled widespread supercell development. Before long, tornadoes began touching down one after another, damaging homes, businesses, highways, and entire communities as emergency crews raced from one disaster to the next. Over the course of 3 days, the outbreak produced 128 confirmed tornadoes. Meteorologists still regard it as one of the most prolific winter outbreaks on record. Number 6. 2020 Easter tornado outbreak. Spring had arrived across much of the South as blooming trees and warmer temperatures welcomed the Easter weekend. On April 12, 2020, families celebrated the holiday, while many also adjusted to daily life during the COVID-19 pandemic. As the day continued, a powerful storm system combined with warm Gulf moisture, allowing widespread supercell thunderstorms to rapidly develop. Tornadoes carved through neighborhoods, churches, businesses, and communities well into the following day, leaving thousands of people facing a long recovery. When the outbreak ended on April 13th, 141 tornadoes had been confirmed. The Easter outbreak remains one of the largest and most memorable holiday tornado events ever documented. If you're enjoying this countdown, subscribe for more tornado documentaries and let us know in the comments which historic outbreak has surprised you the most. Number 5. 2023. Tornado Outbreak. The final days of March brought warmer temperatures across the Midwest and South as students finished school. Businesses closed for the evening, and families looked forward to the weekend. On March 31st, 2023, few realized a major severe weather outbreak was already taking shape. A powerful storm system swept across the country, combining with warm, unstable air to fuel widespread supercell thunderstorms. As the storms intensified, large tornadoes struck neighborhoods, businesses, farms, and rural communities before continuing into the overnight hours. When the skies finally cleared, 146 tornadoes had been confirmed. The outbreak quickly became one of the largest and most widespread tornado events of the modern era. Number 4. 1974. Super Outbreak. Communities across the eastern United States enjoyed a warm spring afternoon as schools, factories, and businesses followed their normal routines. On April 3, 1974, conditions were quietly coming together for one of history's most remarkable tornado outbreaks. Warm, humid Gulf air collided with a powerful spring storm system, allowing explosive supercell thunderstorms to erupt across multiple states. One violent tornado after another tore through towns, farms, and cities, leaving widespread destruction in its wake. The outbreak caused more than $3.5 billion in damage when adjusted for inflation. By the time the storms ended on April 4th, survey teams had documented 148 tornadoes. The super outbreak forever changed tornado forecasting, warning systems, and emergency preparedness across the United States. Number 3. 2024. Tornado Outbreak of May. Another active spring week unfolded across the plains and Midwest as families settled into work, school, and everyday routines. On May 6, 2024, a series of powerful storm systems began sweeping across the region, creating ideal conditions for repeated rounds of severe weather. Day after day, rotating supercells developed, producing tornadoes that damaged homes, businesses, farms, and critical infrastructure, while some communities were struck more than once. Final storm surveys recorded 180 tornadoes before the outbreak ended on May 10th. Its remarkable duration and relentless tornado production made it one of the defining severe weather events of 2024. Number 2. 2024. Tornado Outbreak of April. Spring was in full swing across the central United States as neighborhoods, businesses, and schools carried on with their normal routines. On April 25, 2024, a powerful upper-level storm system combined with warm, moisture-rich Gulf air, setting the stage for an extraordinary outbreak. As intense supercells spread across the region, tornadoes repeatedly formed over 4 consecutive days, leaving a trail of damage through cities, small towns, and rural communities alike. When the outbreak finally came to an end on April 28th, survey teams had confirmed an astonishing 313 tornadoes. It now ranks as the second largest officially recognized tornado outbreak ever recorded. Number 1. 2011 Super Outbreak. Across the southeastern United States, spring landscapes were alive with blooming trees, as schools, businesses, and neighborhoods carried on with another ordinary week. On April 25, 2011, few people could have imagined the historic disaster that was about to unfold. During the next 4 days, an exceptionally powerful storm system combined with warm, unstable Gulf air to generate countless rotating supercell thunderstorms. Massive tornadoes devastated neighborhoods, schools, hospitals, businesses, and entire towns, leaving catastrophic destruction across the region. The outbreak caused more than $12 billion in damage, making it one of the costliest tornado disasters ever recorded. By the time the storms ended on April 28th, damage surveys had documented an incredible 367 tornadoes, the highest total ever confirmed during a single officially recognized tornado outbreak. More than a decade later, the 2011 Super Outbreak continues to shape tornado research, forecasting, emergency planning, and public safety across the United States. These historic tornado outbreaks remind us how quickly the atmosphere can unleash extraordinary power across entire regions. Although forecasting and warning systems continue to improve, events like these prove that nature can still be unpredictable. If you enjoyed this countdown, subscribe for more tornado documentaries, and let us know in the comments which tornado outbreak surprised you the most.